Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with day 4 for the December Daily with Cara Brandon. And day 4 is a to-do list. What's on your Christmas to-do list? Jot, jot it here. It will be fun to look back at it next year. So, let's get my to-do list for Christmas down. So I'm going to take this paper, fold it over. Pardon my nails. I have to take them off because of my surgery that's coming up. So Christmas to-do list. Now, what we do to prep is we wrap gifts. Go food shopping. Um, Clean the house. What else do we usually do to prep? Set the table. Um, Season food. Invite family. What else do we usually do? Hmm. I That's all I can remember for right now. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. So thank you all for watching. And please remember, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.